Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to locate the recycle bin on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app drawer and open the Files app on your smartphone. Now under Files, just tap on the brush icon over here. And on this page, you will find the option of Recently Deleted. Just tap on it, and under each section, you will find the type of files which you have deleted. For example, if you tap on Photos, you will find all the photos which you have deleted on your smartphone. And if you tap on Notes or Messages, you will find all the messages which you have deleted, just like that. But if you're using Google's File Manager instead of Oppo's own File Manager app, then go to your home screen and open the Google File Manager app. Then tap on the three lines at the left side of the search bar. Then tap on Trash. And from here, you will be able to find all the files which you have deleted. And this is how you can locate the recycle bin on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.